I was trying today to reach out to the mayor and the health director to see if we could talk about the CDC guidelines. And I think they were waiting until they were released. But now the city says they're comfortable with the CDC's guidelines, so they've made some small adjustments. New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker announced that the mask mandate for public spaces, which would include places like restaurants, retail, and gyms, was being dropped as of March 7th, but not for city buildings or schools.
New Haven Public Schools, our vaccination rate among young people is still too low, and we have a lot more work to do there.
The city feeling very comfortable with slight mask mandate adjustments because of how the COVID metrics from January compared to those of February.
Today, we are happy to report that we are at averaging 12 cases per 100,000, which is a 96.6 decrease from the January peak.
The new CDC masking guidelines say it's okay for most to remove their mask now in indoor public spaces in areas where hospitalizations are low.
I do think that emphasis on local hospital capacity is the right way to go, and probably will result in the relaxing of indoor mask mandates in a lot of places.
Some not completely comfortable with the new guidance, especially this teacher.
I think it's important when we're in a certain amount of feet of each other to keep them on, to keep everybody safe.
Why don't you like it?
Because sometimes the mask things hurt my ears.
And others at the Connecticut Post Mall in Milford had questions.
If the numbers are going down because masks are being worn, if you take them off, would there be a possibility of it going up even more?
Good question there from Ms. Rodriguez from here in the Elm City, back here live outside City Hall. Just a reminder that the CDC's masking requirements does not include dropping masks on planes, trains, or buses. Public transportation still stays in place in the CDC's eyes. Here in New Haven, Tony Terzi, Fox 61 News.